chance to watch the sunrise that everyone loves, which are dawn and sunset. If dawn brings the fresh feeling of the morning when the familiar sun appears over the horizon, and the first rays of sunlight dance in the rhythm of a new day, then sunset brings a sense of peace after a hard day's work. Watching dawn and sunset has become a hobby and habit for many of us. But have you ever wondered what it would be like to watch dawn and sunset on another planet? Recently, NASA's Curiosity rover captured a brilliant image of a sunset scene on Mars. This is the first time that the sun's rays have been seen so clearly on the red planet. Right now, let's enjoy these beautiful sunset scenes. Without keeping you waiting any longer, let's explore together. Subscribe to the Ian Nigo channel so you don't miss exciting videos. The sun's rays, also known as crepuscular rays, appear when sunlight shines through gas. In clouds during sunset or dawn when the sun is below the horizon. Sunsets on Mars can be more somber than on Earth. Because the red planet orbits the sun at an average distance of 230 million kilometers. 1.5 times the distance between Earth and the sun. Additionally, Mars has a very thin atmosphere, less than 1% of Earth's atmosphere. Combined with strong winds constantly blowing dust into the planet's outer atmosphere. So watching sunsets here is very difficult. However, this is precisely what makes the sunset scene on the red planet more uniquely fascinating than ever, as humans rarely get to witness it. Recently, on February 2, 2023, NASA's Curiosity rover captured a stunning photo during a sunset on Mars. In the photo, colorful sun rays shine through an unusually high cloud, creating an extremely brilliant sunset scene. I must tell you that this is the first time the sun's rays have been seen so clearly on the red planet. Previously, many rovers have captured sunset scenes on Mars. Rays as clearly as Curiosity. Although you might see that the light rays seem to converge at a point outside the cloud. The truth is, they are almost parallel to each other. Another special aspect is the height of the cloud. While clouds on Mars usually hover no more than 60 kilometers above the ground, the clouds in the newly captured image are much higher. That also means they are in a very cold region. Therefore, these clouds may contain frozen carbon dioxide particles, also known as dry ice. This makes the photo even more dazzling and brilliant. The photo of the brilliant sun rays on Mars is not the only scene Curiosity has captured. On January 27th of this year, the rover also recorded an image of a beautiful iridescent feather-shaped cloud. Its colors are vibrant, almost like a rainbow, extremely beautiful. In the cloud, blue and green appear the most. But why is that? If on Earth, sun rays are usually red or yellow. Because sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, the light is scattered. Longer wavelengths like blue and green are scattered the most. Red and yellow light is scattered less. Conversely, on Mars, the sun's rays are much whiter because the red planet has a very thin atmosphere. That means sunlight does not scatter as much as on Earth. This is why sunsets on Mars often have a blue tint. Earlier, in 2015, Curiosity also captured some photos of blue-tinted sunsets on Mars. NASA engineers combined these photos into a short video, recording the impressive sunset on the red planet. And this is what the rover observed. Please enjoy the view. Recording sunset scenes on Mars is a task for any rover operating there. NASA's InSight lander has also captured images of dawn and sunset on Mars multiple times. This photo was taken in April 2022, capturing the dawn scene on the red planet. We will never tire of watching the sunrise on Mars. Each morning, the small bright dawn gradually rising on the horizon provides energy to continue listening to the crunching sounds under the wheels. On May 19, 2005, NASA's Mars rover Spirit captured this beautiful scene as the sun set below Gusev crater. The discovery of unusually colored sunset clouds helps scientists study more accurately the structure of clouds in Mars' thin atmosphere. If what we just saw are the dawn and sunset scenes on the red planet, then how do other planets in the solar system experience dawn and sunset? First is Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun in the solar system. It is located only about 60 million kilometers from the Sun, so if you had a chance to watch the sunrise and sunset from Mercury, you would see the Sun 3 times larger and brighter than when viewed from Earth. I'm not sure if you, because the intense heat from the Sun would burn you. The next destination is Venus. The distance from this planet to the Sun is 108 million kilometers, due to Venus being covered by thick clouds. From this planet, we would only see the Sun as a faint, bright spot in the gloomy sky. As for Jupiter, being much farther away, it is 779 million kilometers from the Sun, over 5 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Therefore, the sunlight here only appears as a red circle. Then Saturn, a planet with a very distinct shape compared to other planets in the solar system. It orbits the Sun at a distance of 1.5 billion kilometers, 9.5 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. Sunlight is refracted by ice, water, and gas crystals, creating the phenomenon of a double sunrise that you can see here. On Ariel, one of Uranus's moons, you would witness an unusual but incredibly spectacular scene. Here, the Sun hardly provides any heat because it is nearly 2.8 billion kilometers away. As for Neptune, being 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun, 30 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Huge gas dust storms on this icy planet dim the faint sunlight. Finally, Pluto. From the farthest dwarf planet in the solar system, the Sun is just a tiny bright dot. Sunlight reaching Pluto is 1,600 times weaker than when it reaches Earth, because Pluto is about 6 billion kilometers from the Sun. It can be seen that among the planets in the solar system, nowhere has a dawn and sunset viewing scene as wonderful as on Earth. But how long has it been since you woke up early to watch the sunrise? And when was the last time you watched the sunset? They missed it. I believe you will have an energetic and productive new day. Don't forget to share your feelings in the comment section of this video, everyone. So today, I, 2D, and all of you have explored together the beauty of sunset and dawn on Mars, as well as on other planets in the solar system. I hope you have gained useful and interesting information. See you in the next videos. Goodbye. Subscribe to the Guy and Migo channel so you don't miss exciting videos.